A lot of business owners say, hey, I'll sleep when I'm rich, or only billionaires get sleep. I work 24/7. That's really true. If you're self-employed in a home office or you're managing multiple sites at a big team, guess what? Running your business is one of the toughest things that you can do. See, many people can leave their job at the office, but a business owner, they don't get to do that very often. More than half business owners routinely suffer from sleep deprivation as a result of finance-related concerns. 74% say cash flow is their biggest worry, and 65% find the thought of their tax returns keeps them up at night. Stress-induced sleep deprivation impacts the brain and the body at the same time. Look, it's impossible to escape our natural human need for sleep. Lack of sleep disrupts your immune system and can lead to a low mood and even makes you worse at decision making. This can be catastrophic for a business owner. Small business owners' health and personal relationship ultimately suffer, especially when their business is causing them stress. 35% have lost motivation at least once a year since opening their business. 53% say their financial worries are the biggest drain on their enthusiasm. According to the research, the main causes of lack of sleep is cash flow and tax concerns, which are typically taken care of by the business owners themselves. Small business owners need an accounting service that supports their need for growth and automate time-consuming admin. Online accounting software that can project cash flow, create and chase invoices, and even run payroll. Give me a follow or book a strategy call.